rise directly upward. The
If it's
creator's
flashing
design,
red,
however,
is
makes
it
it possible
recording?
to swivel in all directions, is much more efficient and far more agile than any man-made flying machine. The hummer's capabilities are phenomenal. When hovering, his wings beat 50 times a second. When speeding straight away, up to 80 times. His heart beats 21 times in the same second.
These tiny little birds have a metabolic rate that just is almost unimaginable. Their heart beats so fast it gets into the range of audible sound. You think of these little hummers that fly, they migrate over miles. They reserve food to make this trip. An error of hundredths of a gram in nutrients could mean not making the trip. Birds alone could be absolute.
It's too funny.
Marvelous creatures.
The hummingbird's nest is a masterpiece of art. The female is the artist. She uses fern fuzz, dandelion seed down, and other plant felts. The exterior is adorned with lichens and fastened with spider webbing. The interior is lined with the softest down available. No one teaches her the art of nest building. It is a God-given ability. The male hummingbird's coloring has no rival in the bird kingdom. The magnificent hummingbird, the broad-tailed, the blue-throated, and Costa's hummingbird are among the more than 300 stunning species. The iridescent colors of the throat and crown are due to refraction and not pigments. Often, these areas appear dark, almost black, but from the proper angle, the iridescent colors seem to glow from within.